Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today we'll control a servo motor using an IR remote and an Arduino. This project is perfect for home automation, robotics, and smart control systems. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need Arduino board, IR remote, and IR receiver module, servo motor jumper wires. Connect the IR receiver's signal pin to pin 2 on Arduino. The servo motor's signal wire goes to pin 9. Power both components using 5 volts and GND from Arduino. In the code, we first include the required libraries: IR remote for receiving signals and servo for motor control. We initialize the IR receiver on pin 2 and the servo motor on pin 9. The loop constantly checks for IR remote signals. When a button is pressed, the servo moves to a specific angle. 0xFB4F moves it to 45 degrees, 0xF9867 moves it to 90 degrees, 0xFD27 moves it to 135 degrees. Let's see the project in action. This setup can be used for smart home automation controlling doors, windows, or curtains, robotics projects like robotic arms or pan-tilt cameras, RC vehicles, steering control via remote. This is how you can easily control a servo motor using an IR remote with Arduino. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to Digitech Dynamo, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.